Have you ever been in a situation where just after seeing the question paper you felt blanked out? Even after reading the entire chapter again and again, you were not able to recollect the answer at the time of exam? On the night before the exam, you had a panic attack just because you were not prepared and you felt there is so much still left to study? Do you compare how much you have studied with that of your friends and end up feeling tensed? Why there is so much tension, worry and stress when it comes to exam? Why do we have that fear or phobia for exams? This is very common among students. Friends, we always fear the consequence of something. Will I pass the exam? Will I be able to meet to my parents' expectations? What if I fail? Friends, please remember, exams are not made to fail you. It is just a way to check out our knowledge or skills. If we consider the way it is, things would be a lot simpler. This fear or anxiety is all in our brains. A small change in our attitude or the way we look at it can make huge difference. So through this session, let's look at different situations and see the ways to get rid of this fear. Many students keep things until the last minute. They keep saying, I'll do it tomorrow. And the sad part is that tomorrow just never comes. The entire syllabus gets piled up. Then you study night and day, but it is too much load for your brain. When you recollect the things, you fail and you panic. What can be done in this situation? We already know what is to be done. Prepare yourself right from the start. Fix the timings and study regularly. The next situation is when your friend comes and tells you that your teacher announced a class test tomorrow which you were not aware of. Now you keep worrying. The best way to overcome this is to keep yourself updated. If you have missed a class, call your friend and take an update. Avoid negative feelings and self-criticism. If you have prepared well, you will definitely succeed in exams. So there is no need to bring in any negative feelings. Stay positive and calm. As our exams near, we push ourselves a lot. We sit and continuously study for a long time. We don't eat properly, we don't take adequate sleep. This can result in us getting saturated. We feel both physical and mental stress. If you're already feeling weak on the first day, how will you do it on the coming days? So it is important to take breaks while studying and relax yourself a bit. Do some physical activity like playing, exercise, and even meditation would prove helpful. So please try it. One more thing which we fail to realize is that every individual's capacity is different. If a friend of mine can finish 4 chapters in a day, but that does not necessarily mean that even I have to finish 4 chapters. I might be capable of doing only 3 chapters. That is fine. Don't refer to too many books just because your friends are doing it. Don't study anything new at the last minute. This will just add up to your confusion. Many students feel dizziness, sweating, nervousness when they enter the exam hall. In such situations, close your eyes and do deep breathing. You may even pray to God. Just say in mind, I can do it. My paper will be easy and will attempt everything with full confidence. Drink water if you need. Relax your body and mind. Just stay calm. And during exams, you might come across certain questions which you are not able to attempt. Don't panic in such situations. Because when you panic, you lose your concentration power and decision-making abilities. So it's better that we leave the question, attempt the questions which you know. By doing this, you will gain confidence and your mind will be calm. And now when you attempt the same question, you will have a different approach for solving it. Friends, just think practically. Is there any point in spending my whole time behind one question which can fetch me just 5 to 10 marks? At that time, you can attempt many other questions and score well. In theory subjects, at times we fail to recollect some answers and get stuck. This is because you have learned the concepts by heart without understanding it. If you have clearly understood a concept or an answer, you will never feel blanked out during the exams. If not the exact words, you will surely be able to attempt the answers or at least write the main idea in your own words. So friends, I hope that you'll follow these things, and please remember, the fear is just in our mind. Learn to overcome it through positivity. Every time you feel weak or nervous, just tell yourself, I can overcome this and I will succeed in whatever I am doing. And on that positive note, we end our session. If you want us to make any particular video, then you may leave your suggestions through comments. Before you leave, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.